Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will review Anda seat gaming chairs. We'll explore their key features, focusing on what makes them stand out in the competitive gaming chair market. You'll learn about their construction, materials, and the general design philosophy. We'll cover the common elements found across their popular models, helping you understand the foundational aspects of these chairs. Comfort is paramount for any gaming chair, and Anda seat aims to deliver. These chairs typically come with adjustable lumbar and neck pillows, crucial for maintaining good posture during extended use. You'll find a wide range of adjustability, from the seat height to the recline angle, ensuring you can find your perfect position. The materials used are also chosen for both comfort and longevity. So, is an Anda seat gaming chair worth the investment? These chairs often come with a higher price tag, reflecting their premium build and features. For dedicated gamers who spend many hours at their desk, the durability and ergonomic support can justify the cost. It's important to weigh the initial outlay against the potential for long-term comfort and reduced strain. In conclusion, Anda seat gaming chairs generally offer a robust and comfortable experience, making them a solid choice for many gamers. While they represent a significant investment, their quality and ergonomic design often provide excellent value over time. If you're looking for a durable chair that supports long gaming sessions, an Anda seat model is definitely worth considering. And for a great gaming setup, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers, among other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.